what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to draw Santa, just his face. It's another version of Santa. There are several different versions of Santa on this page. I want to give you variety so you can have different types. I'm going to be using a marker, and this is step-by-step for beginners. So if you've never drawn in your life, this is the place to be. It's really quick, maybe about 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, and that's it. So let's get started, guys. So I am going to start with the brim of the hat. I'm just gonna kind of make like that little dipping shape, kind of like a little hill, but that's the underside of the brim of the hat. Right here, the edge, little bumps, and I'm gonna put a little waviness to that hat, like, you know, he's been wearing it a while. I'm gonna pull down on the
swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
You can draw eyebrows, but you don't really have to. Then I'm going to pull a line down. I'm going to draw like a little cloud shape for his beard. And there's no amount of these that you just wiggle around. See how these are a little bit more oceany, and these are a little bit more, kind of feather. What do you call it? Cloudy. Just no, just do what you can. Little smile there, and I'm gonna draw the bottom of the smile. Cloudy shape at the end of his hat, and that's it. You've done it. You completed a drawing. If you've never done a drawing before, you've done it, and that's it. You can apply this to anything. You can apply this to maybe like just an old man. You can apply this stuff to anything. So if you enjoyed that, if you found that easy to do, download the ebook in the description. It's all about how to draw cute stuff. It is 10 pages, it's totally free, and I teach it better, and it's made to print out. So that's it, guys. Remember that, it's totally free. People ask me about that. For now, it's free. So, alright guys, I will see you in the next video. Comment, I reply to every single comment, so let's have a conversation. Talk to you later.